Here it is the classic roller.
The roller seating system is the result of an open design, adopting different high-density foam structure to assure the comfortable seating with enough supportability. In my showroom, we adopt European original premium full leather to finish this roller sofa. Let roller sofa demonstrate like a moderate gentleman. However, no matter fabric or leather to finish this roller sofa, the effect will filled with fully sense of modern and fashion. To make sure the seating and back sketching line straight with perfect finish, we import a German decap sewing machine. Meanwhile, we use stainless steel with brushed nickel finish in the hide under the base. It looks like a floating effect.
For the cabinet, painting is great to match this sofa.
It's developed more than 30 sections for different house size and type. You will get full its price here.